Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write essay on drug abuse. This is an important social issue and has been a burning topic for quite some time. So, this essay is very important from the exam point of view. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. Let's start. First line is drug abuse means using drugs in harmful ways. Second line is it can lead to health problems and addiction. Third line is drugs affect the brain and body negatively. Fourth line is people may start using drugs to feel good or escape problems. Fifth line is drug abuse can ruin relationships and affect work. Sixth line is addiction makes it hard to stop using drugs. Seventh line is it is important to say no to drugs and make healthy choices. Eighth line is families and friends can support those struggling with drug abuse. Ninth line is getting help from counselors or support groups is important for recovery. Last line is drug abuse awareness helps prevent its harmful effects on individuals and society.